Well, greetings viewers, and thanks for joining me outside today again for another introduction. Y'all knew I'd be getting another third gen, as many as I've had on this channel. You know, it was just a matter of time. Rescued this one from junk. Guy had it for sale for junk price, $291,000. Runs like a champ. Alternator's dead. Found that out driving it around. We got one bad rust spot back here at the rear lower control arm. Super common. Like I said, $291,000 on this unit. Guy got it from, had it for the last 16 years. Everything works. The four-wheel drive works, the air conditioning works, the stereo works, all the windows work. This is a nice unit. It's got some rust, sorry Oswald, in the rockers and such, but it's a really good looking unit. Super happy to have it. I was able to obtain it for junk price, and I will see if I can't fix that frame, replace that alternator, and put this unit into service in my fleet. So if you've always enjoyed the third gen 4runner content, gonna be some more third gen 4runner content. The new Tundra, things are looking up for the channel, eh? So yeah, this unit isn't terrible by any means. Slim loves it. He's already been through it. Got nice wheels, got nice tires, runs, drives, stops, AC works. Alternator though died apparently while it was setting. Been setting for a couple of years. I'll show you how I fixed that frame and put this unit back into service here real soon. So thanks for checking out another unit new to the fleet. I'm excited, I gotta tell you. We'll get this battery charged up. We'll get her back in the shop and she'll set till I'm ready to start working on it. Yeah. Oh, look, Slim, he's ready to start working on it right now. Look at him. All right, super excited to have this unit added to the fleet. There are deals out there. You just got to find them. I'm always looking, and when you're always looking, that's how you get to be first. Guy put this up for junk price. First person to come get it. Nice looking, like I said, nice looking unit. Been well cared for. Some rust in the rockers and stuff. I don't even care. So thanks for joining me for a little bit on this. Lots more to come. Timing set on the Tundra coming up for 4.7 real soon. Yeah, a lot of third gen 4runner content to come. All right, so there'll be a lot of the Tundra, the second gen Tundra coming up too. First gen Tundra stuff for wheeling. I think this is going to be a nice addition to the fleet. 01, of course, got a couple of issues, but nothing that can't be fixed here in the shop by me and Slim and Ozdog. I am excited to have this added to the fleet. So yeah, please stay tuned then for more of this third gen, the second gen, the first gen, and anything else that I might deem worthy of viewing out here in the shop. Love you, appreciate you. Have a super great day. Take care of each other, okay?